Hi friends, today I am going to teach you how to make a foam sheet fish. For that you need foam sheets, a pencil and an eraser, scissors and a bottle of glue. First you're supposed to take a color and then you're supposed to draw a fish. Like you're supposed to draw an oval. If something comes wrong, take an eraser and erase it. Right. So after you finished drawing the shapes, then you are supposed to join it. Like after drawing this oval and this triangle, you're supposed to join it like this. If you get it very lightly, put another line and make it darker. So now I have finished this fish. So now I'm taking the scissors and cutting it on directly the line which I drew for the fish. The line of the shape. Like this, see? So now if you get extra pencil lines, just slowly take it and cut it. So now I think I actually got a bit of lines. Now I have got it perfectly. I'm taking a lighter color and copying this in the fish. If you think it came a bit wrong, just erase it or turn it in the back and do it. Now I have finished. Now I am taking it very perfectly and drawing it. scissor and cutting this too. So now I have finished and I'm doing the same thing which I did it for that fish. So now I'm finished. Now I have both of my fishes ready. Now I'm taking glue. I'm keeping the paper aside. And then I'm putting some glue on this paper. So now I'm finished applying glue and now I'm carefully taking my fish and keeping it like this. So now after I applied my glue, I'm taking the scissors, or before taking the scissors I'm letting it get dried. Now I'm waiting for 5 minutes. If you want, you can count till 5 or till 10. So till it gets dried, you should cut shapes like this. So I am cutting triangles like this. So I cutted one triangle. Yes, we are supposed to cut more triangles. So after you think it's enough for you, you can stop. Then I'm keeping this aside. I'm taking the purple and again I'm cutting triangles. After you think it's enough, you're supposed to cut 2 circles like this. So for the purple, you're supposed to take these peach color triangles and take some glue and take the first circle and put it lightly and take it like this. And then stick it in the perfect place and take some peach triangles and then take triangles and fill this whole body. If you think still it's not perfect, take some more triangles and fill it. But make sure it's perfect. So now I have finished this side. Then turn it around so it gets dried and take another circle and put it over here and fill it. And now I'm finished with this side too. So after I finished, so now I have finished my fish and it's ready. So I have some more fishes available like this. One of my fish is like this and another one is like this. And this is like this. The last one, which is so cool, is like a rainbow line and a normal line. So this can be a hanging thing. When the air blows it, it can move. So this is a fish which we have made. So please subscribe 90 Rocks Kids and click the bell button. Bye bye.